What's up? We are back again. Oh, and I actually got me a new camera. It's actually like it's a Sony. It is very good. Why is it in my face? Hold up. I got clean teeth. I don't even really know how to use it. It's this. What is this? Oh, hold up. Hold up. Okay. But it looks all clear and stuff to me. I'm about to switch the lens. How do I do that? Well, I can't, so I'm gonna just turn it around. Alright. Look, I will be doing a house tour. I just did the dishes. Just drinking juice, living life. So I'm home alone, right? So I said, I'm about to do something. I'm gonna do us a little house tour. I'm gonna do us a little house tour. My camera almost failed. Oh, I gotta stand for it. Hold up. I don't really know how to do this. This is like a strap on. This like a okay. It's all. Oh, I got my haircut. I got waves. I'm about to show y'all my waves. Look, I got my waves been spinning lately. Oh, you see them, them good old waves. You see them boys? The boys almost spinning. I just brush my hair every single day and like night kinda. The waves coming in. And I just come out here. All right. I'm about to put my do-rag back on and then I'm going to give you all a little house tour real quick. Shout out to my ex-girlfriend too, though, for helping me find a good camera. Like, she is one of the coolest exes that I could ever, like, go with. Her YouTube channel would be down below. I'm giving her a little shout out, Her YouTube channel will be in the link in the description below. Shoot, I'm doing a lot of talking and no doing nothing but Okay, so first I'm gonna start off with the refrigerator, and I'm gonna actually show y'all what we got in our refrigerator. We don't really have a lot of stuff in our refrigerator, but like, okay, so this is this refrigerator, and this is kind of packed. We got food everywhere, and my Capri Suns. Okay, that was the refrigerator. Done with the refrigerator. Now I'm going with the freezer. I don't really know what this is, but I got a pack of pizza rolls down here. Got a pack of pizza rolls, and I don't know what the rest is in there. And the snackies. I'm gonna show you the snackies too. Look, the snackies. Hold on, somebody just text. They don't want nothing. Oh, the snackies. Hold up, the snackies. The snackies is there. Oh, the chipsies, the chippies, the chipsies. Alright, so, what's up? Oh, I'm gonna show you my TV. Got a, TV. My PS4 is at my mom's house. Dad. I'm at my dad's house. I stay here a lot. We have a one thing couch right here, and then another couch, and then a longer couch. We have a TV stand right here. Okay, oh, this our hallway. We have a thing right there. Hold up, I think somebody calling me. Let me see who it is. Oh, it's my grandmother. Hello. Hey, Granny. Nothing much, you know. I just got done eating lunch. Yeah, because by like 12. He's downstairs. I think he's. Hold on, I don't even know if he's downstairs. Oh, oh, it's your break time. I said, it's your break time. Oh, who? My dad. Right. It's a we have a whole thing of waters. We got. My bad. We have a whole thing of waters right there. Nuh-uh. Well, it kinda is. Kinda is. But I don't. So look, I only had one cup of this juice. A burger and some Cheetos. I didn't eat all my Cheetos though, cause I didn't have an appetite for Cheetos. But like, I just had some Cheetos, so I just was like, that's my job, bro. I came over here to avoid doing the dishes, cause I got way more dishes at my house. I don't use the dishes. I use paper plates. That be my dad, and I be telling him that if you about to eat off of the plate or something, then you need to use a paper plate. Right, and but I'm telling him the most because he the one always eating and stuff. I didn't wash up everything. Right. Sure, they Granny, hey Granny. I washed the dishes yesterday. I shouldn't be washing the dishes every day. No, my dad been gone all day, but and he been gone with his friends. He needs to be here doing something. Bro. I'm about to go. I'm finna go. I'm finna go. Cause I came here to avoid that. Cause I do the dishes every single day at my house, and I gotta do them here too. Nah, that bro. And my dad ain't even do nothing. He ain't even take out the garbage. I do. We- I ain't even eat all the food. I'm eating snacks. I don't eat the food. Yes, that's not my job. That's my job at home, bro. I can't win, bro. What? Hold up, hold up. Um, Byron. Oh look, invite you on your break. You got time. Lenny, um, why doesn't the alarm system work anymore? Why y'all turn it off? I like the alarm system. Shoot, it was 3883. Alright, I'm doing something anyway. Hold up. Just so I can know, because I'm gonna do this is like 5 minutes before you come home. So what time do you get off work? And what time is it right now? Hold up. This. Alright, it's two. Alright, bet. I'm gonna do it at 3:35. Alright, peace. Be That was very long, but okay. Let me go with this tour. This is the bathroom. I take boo boos in there and brush my teeth, and that's the shower curtain. That's the mirror. This is my grandma room. She always keep her door locked. Can't even go in there. This is my granddad room. He usually keep his door locked too. Oh, bro, he left it open for the first time, and he has a 40-inch TV or 30. I don't know. This his couch or whatever. I'm about to go in here and see if I see some money. I don't see no money. I'm done. So no, I'm just playing. I'm not a thief. And last but not least, this is my room. My room. My bunk bed and my other bed. And I guess that's... Ooh, I should do an unboxing thing too. Because I got me a pair of new shoes, right? And they never got touched yet. So, how about I do that now? First we got... Ooh, this is a nice box right here. Look, this is a nice box. These are the Air Jordan 10 Retro. I'm back, Jordans. The retail price was $190, but the actual price went over to the store was actually $250. So let's check these bad boys out. Oh, it says 3/18/95. That's the day I got them. March 18th, 2018, though. Oh, look. The thing on these shoes is that Michael Jordan had retired, right? And he came back March 18th, 1995. Know your shoe history in Jordan, okay? So, let's check these bad boys out. Oh! Icy. So, this is a special type of leather. It's metallic white leather. It's like this is a nice shoe. This is a sexy shoe. I could just ride this shoe. No homo. No homo. This shoe is very sexy. And I got it off the YouTube check. You know how they be doing. That's what we need. Signing, I'm just playing. I don't get a YouTube check until I reach like 50,000 subscribers, and I didn't get that, so I only have like 3 or 4 or something. Let's get this video to like 20 likes, and then I'll be giving away these shoes. These are a size 8 right here. You know, it says it on the box, and I don't really like these shoes, but they are some sexy shoes though. But like I don't really like want these. I don't know what I would wear these. Hold up. I'm wearing white right now. Hold up. Let me get the camera. Let me show the camera what I'm wearing right now. I'm wearing white right now. I can wear these shoes right now. But I don't want to. Because I'm going to give them away. I want to keep them clean. I wore these like twice. You know. And now, here comes my favorite shoe of all time. I had it in a different box when I shipped it. I got it shipped and they ran out of this cool gray Jordan box. So I got it in a Nike Air Force One. Oh, these actually the Air Force One box. These are these the same shoes. I got another box, but these are it right here. And here we go. And these are the 6'9" cool grays. The 6'9". These are the 6'9s. Call these the 6'9s. The 6'9". This is a very sexy shoe. The 6'9s, you know. The 6'9" 10s. I wear these a lot. You probably can't tell because of the bottom is so clean. But like these are my babies. I get a lot of girls' numbers wearing these. This is a very sexy shoe. Oh, it's this suede. Look, it's suede. It's very sexy. It's a very sexy suede right here. But like, oh look, the inside of it, Air Air Jordan 10. These are retro twins. It says Jordan. It says Jordan 23. You know, it says number, so. Alright, I'm done talking and everything, so that will conclude the video. Like and subscribe, comment below, and do I have anything else to show you guys? Oh, yes, look. On Easter, I know I'm kind of too old. Hold up. My hand was on the lens on that little big old circle. Ooh, I'm about to twist it. Doesn't do anything. Whatever, but I have another thing to show you too. I went Easter egg hunting, right? I'm probably too old for this. I had the most eggs, and look, I found the mysterious golden egg. The golden egg. I found the golden egg. And look what it had in it. Had a ring pop. I don't really eat those. It had one of these, and I eat those. I eat these. And then look what I found. $20. Alright, that'll conclude the video. I'm done. I'm done with YouTube forever. Psych. Okay. Dang, my camera just fell. My camera just fell. And that'll conclude the video. Peace. How do they be doing that on YouTube? They be like, this, the video be over.